know he won it.
What'd you say? Who was it?
You won the Boss Magazine 2009 Ohio Hip Hop Award. Congratulations.
That's legendary.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Y'all actually won an award, the Boss Mag 2009 Ohio Hip Hop Award. Y'all won for that media outlet thing.
Man, I don't even know.
Like y'all won. He didn't even know he won it.
What'd you say? Who was it?
You won the Boss Magazine 2009 Ohio Hip Hop Award. Congratulations. Yo, what's good, y'all? My bad, hit the wrong button, but I got to figure it out, you know what I mean? This is Sell Stocks, Not Dope. We're here every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m.-ish. I'm on time today, man. I ain't trying to hear y'all mouth. I am on time today. While we're here early, can y'all please head over to my YouTube channel, which is Dash Resource on YouTube, and you can just don't unsubscribe, you know what I mean? Like, don't be a player hater, you feel me? Go there. Hit that, hit the notification bell like we see, and you'll be able to get all of my content. I promise you, I drop daily jewels on there. And you ain't the only person gonna be there, man. Look, there's already 769 people there, and I just stood back in line, of course. So go be the 770th one today. Let me tell y'all, man, what's been going on, right? So we have a war, right, that is going on currently, right? But I'm a type of person where I want to see how I can make money in it every single time, right? So I thought of this, right? During this process, I found out, like during the war, that a lot of the chips that are being manufactured for vehicles here are Ukraine companies, right? So if you guys did not know about this already, we already have a chip shortage. We can go to this right now. You can see right now, this is just a couple days ago, right? The chip shortage shut down a Ford plant, right? If you look over here to, right here, you see the Russian attack on Ukraine could dent chip maker supply lines. So I thought of what are some of the best chip manufacturers, and I'll compile a list for y'all, man. I do all the hard work for y'all, you feel me? All you got to do is show up here on Sunday, and I'm going to put y'all on, you feel me? So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'll give you a bonus one. 7 chip manufacturers that aren't going to be affected negatively by the chip shortage in the Ukraine war. I've already did a video on my YouTube channel showing you the top stocks you should buy right now because if we go to war. So go ahead and hit that link up. It's definitely inside the title. If not, it will be inside the details of it. So let's go ahead and look up one real quick. Let's hit our Googles up. Do your Googles. Everybody know my favorite slogan, right? So you can simply type in what I've already done, or you can go to, you can type in tickers, TXN. Let me see. TX. Yeah, it's supposed to be, yeah, there we go. Stop. There we go. This right here is Texas Instruments, right? So you look at it for the 1 day, it's actually up. Let's look at it for the year. It's actually down for the year. But as you can see, things are changing to where this person, well, this stock that actually has room for them to grow just based off of a war going on right now because there are going to be chip shortages. This is a chip manufacturer. Let's do it to another one. Let's move to another one. Let's go to another one. ADI. Analog devices. This right here's another one. Let's look what it is for 1 day. Let's look for the 1 year mark. So it's up for the year. So somebody has already been looking. They said, you know what? I'm going to purchase this one. It's been up for a whole year already. So this is something that's really good. Let's look into this one. You want to buy a good stock on a bad day. This would be an example of that, right? We don't buy it when it's on the run. You know what I'm saying? But we wait for it to hit one bump in the road, and then maybe we jump in. Let's go to another one. UMC, United Microelectronics Corporation, right? So let's look for the day, for the year. Look at this. It's a cute number for us too. That's only $10 almost, but it's down for the year. So you know what I mean. You can look to see what other places that like they're trying to, you know, like make a run at, but I'm pretty sure a lot of these chip manufacturers are going to see a big jump because people are going to reach out to them because their connectors in a whole war right now. You know what I mean? So let's do another one. Because you can't have these plants being closed down based off them waiting on a computer chip. Camtech was another one. Look at that one. It's a nice, cute number 4. That's $30 for the 1 day. The 1 year is up for the year. So this is another one that's been doing good. So a lot of y'all saying, what stock should I buy? Look at what's going on. The stocks that are benefiting during the time that all the stocks are tanking, they say, oh my God, the stock market tanked. Look at the ones that's doing good. Add these to your watch list. That's where you can move with the market. You'll never be out if you're using my 5-step program, which is free on Amazon. Okay? These stocks are going to be on your radar because you'll be following the market. You'll be using these 5 steps to continue to always move towards the great stocks. Because even if I did not look for this stock, I would have found it using my 5-step method because every single day I'm checking for stocks that did good that day. And look forward to see if it did good for that day, did it good for that year. And once it did good for that year and not that day, I'm probably looking to make an entry point or find out why it's down. But again, that's later on. And you can get my book free on Amazon where I break it down in the simplest way as possible, that's one thing I love to do. Let's do another one. And we almost out of here because Lord knows I want to see what's going on with that 93.4. I want to see what's going on with that fly. It's a paperwork party about to be on. If you're from Dayton, you know what I'm talking about. So here we go. This right here is Ambarella, and it's $139. You know what I mean? It's probably not that cute to you, but it's still cheaper than a pair of shoes. So, and the 1 year mark is up for the year, up for the day. You know what I mean? So we would look to make an entry point on stocks like that. That is a good stock, and it's swimming during a moment of uncertainty, and it did not fall down during a point of this, which should say that the stock is pretty much like not recession like dependent or anything like that. Let's see. Why? Okay. Type it in. My bad. There we go. There we go. Monolith Power Systems. See, they the big dogs, right? So $461 get you in that game. Income tax front with it. For the year, look, it's up for the year. So, like, for people to say, no, I can't make no money inside the stock market right now, that is not the case because there are always plays to be made. There are millionaires every single day birthed out of it just based on people's risk and their tolerance. And I'm going to give y'all one more that I want to tell y'all about, which was one of my sleeper picks before. My best friend Brittany made some easy money on this before. And I love when stocks come back up. Microvision, which I had this stock when it was literally 10 cents, and I put everybody on. I told everybody about it, and some people stayed in it long enough to make some money off of it. The reason why I like Microvision the most, and it's a good sleeper pick, is because not only do they have augmented reality, which will benefit later on when it comes to gaming and other things of that nature in the metaverse, right? They also already have a U.S. contract with the military. So when they're out there going through their targets, they're not shooting live targets. They're shooting at holograms made off Microvision. This is something I've already did a bunch of research on. And I'm telling you, this is one of the sleeper picks I'm telling you right now that I am fully in on. So this one is only $3.64. Be mad at me if you lost $3.64. Or invest wisely, cost average. And you'll be straight, man. Again, man, how this is my YouTube page, man, where you can not be the only person there, man. We're going to show love. This is Sell Stocks Not Dope every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m.-ish. Man, sponsored by T-ShirtKings247.com, man. The Legendary People Podcast, Legendary People, Legendary Stories. Cop some shirts, cop some merch, man. Welcome to the cool table, baby. It's lit for y'all.